Hello everyone. So finally today is our first video. So our channel will start with the series on data structure because data structure is main part or concept independent of any language. So therefore today topic is introduction to data structure. Okay. So why we need data structure? Because as we know a huge amount of data is generated every day in the form of images, files, text, etc. So that data need to be managed. Therefore, data structure is essential to manage data in such a way so that it can produce information. Or in simple terms, providing appropriate structure to data is a data structure. Okay. Structure to data is data structure. Okay. Now we will see some basic terms to understand data structure. So number one is what is data type? So in very simple term, data type defines domain of allowed values. Domain of allowed values or operations on values. On values. Okay, so let's take an example. Like if we talk about bitwise operations, bitwise operations and modulus operation, then we know that if we are defining the data type as int, then these operations are valid, and if we are defining data type as float, then these operations are not valid. Okay, so this is the concept of data type.
So second term is abstract data type. So what is abstract data type? So the definition of the abstract data type is it only mentions what operations are to be performed but not how these operations will be implemented. In simple terms, it is defines a data type logically. Okay, and if we talk about the term abstraction, the process of providing only the essential and hiding the details is known as abstraction. Okay, so let's we take an example of ADT. Let's look at three ADTs. Let's look at three ADTs. Okay, number one is list ADT. Number second is stack ADT, and number third is queue ADT. If we define these all of these three ADTs, it consists of elements of same type arranged in sequential order, but their operations are different. Like in list ADT, we have insert or replace replace operation, insert or replace operation, and in stack ADT we have operations like push or pop, and in queue ADT we have operations like enqueue and the queue. Okay, so we can see that in these three of ADTs, insert operation is used to insert an element in the list ADTs. Simply to insert in the stack, we use the operation push, and in inserting the element in the queue, we use the operation enqueue. Okay, so now we will come to the concept of data structure. So what is data structure? Data structure is simply the programming construct used to implement an ADT. Programming construct used to implement an ADT. Okay, so it is basically the physical implementation of ADT. Okay, so I know you are confused between the ADT and the DS. So basically, ADT is the specification language for data structure. Structure. Okay, so ADT and data structure. ADT is simply a logical description, and data structure is simply a concrete implementation. It defines what to be done, and data structures defines how to do it. Okay, so we may change the representation or algorithm, but client code will not be affected as long as the ADT interface remains the same. Okay, so let's look some advantages of data structure. What are the advantages of data structures? Number one is efficiency. Number second is reusability. And number third is abstraction. Okay, so a data structure means proper choice of data structure makes our program efficient. Okay, and data structures are reusable, and we have also talked about the abstraction. Like common operation we have to done on the data structures are some common operations on data structure. Number one is insertion, second deletion, traversal, and search. Okay, okay, so this is for this video, and in the coming videos we will talk about the data structure on some basis like the linear and non-linear data structures and static and dynamic data structures, and we will proceed with the different types of data structures like arrays, linked list, and stack queue, etc. But to understand these data structure, we need to be know some main primarily concept, so we also make the video of that concepts also. This video is only this. Okay, I hope you all like this video, and if you have any doubt, please comment in below. And if you like this video or gain some knowledge from this video, please press the like button.